serious question. Why are Fijians paid so little?
Whoa, did I get a lot of responses for that video. Quick preface, I was just asking because I literally didn't know why Fijians get paid $4 an hour. And I wanted to know if there's anything I could do to help. So lots of people got angry at me for asking, but so many more share my concern and wondering why they only get paid $4 an hour as well. This is the most popular response I got in the comments. Nearly 200 people agreed. They're wondering why are Fijians getting paid $3, $4, $5 an hour, but the Prime Minister's pay $3,000 a day for travelling overseas. Good question. I don't know the answer. Then Ginny said, Fiji Trade Union have been fighting for pay increase for years, but the current government refuses, and 63 people agree with her. Then this person says, finally someone's standing up, and nearly 100 of you agreed. I'm not standing up. I literally didn't know, and I still don't, to be honest, why Fijians get paid so little when multi-million-dollar, billion-dollar resorts making so much money. But it's obviously a question that you guys all think should be asked. So yes, as a privileged white person living in New Zealand, for me, $4 an hour sounds ridiculous, sounds crazy. For Fijians, it sounds like it's your normal wage, and that's just where it is. But a lot of comments in the video did say that it's the government's fault, the government's greedy, the government this, the government that. And someone did tell me that it is election time in December. And this government's been the same government since like nearly 20 years. So if you don't like how much you're getting paid and you think the government is to blame, I guess that would be your best bet to vote and get a new government in and see if the Fiji trade unions can push for a pay rise. I don't have the answers that's why I did the video, because I don't know what they are, and I was genuinely curious and I wanted to see if I could do anything. So it looks like I would like you to encourage you to vote. If you don't like it, vote. Vote for a new government. If you are happy with it, great. Enjoy it. That's fine. I'm jealous you guys live in Fiji still.